I'm creating a fun braid look today using these two products from Color Wow. This is the Pop and Lock High Shine Finish, and this is the key to getting smooth braids. It really makes the braid pop, it makes them look shiny, and helps tame flyaways. I'm a really big fan because it also offers UV protection, so sometimes I will slather it all over my hair, go out in the sun, and I don't have to worry about the sun damaging my hair or ruining my color. It breaks up waves too, it makes things look super glossy, so it's seriously like the best multitasker ever. So I'll just take a couple pumps like this. You can put it on wet hair or dry hair. Obviously I'm doing dry hair right now. And I like to apply it all over again because it offers that UV protection, but it also is great to concentrate it on the area in which you'll be braiding. So I'm gonna be doing kind of a side back braid right here. So I'm gonna be focusing the product there. This is after I applied the product. I can already tell a huge difference in the shine. And then after my look today, I'm gonna be using the Color Wow Extra Shine Spray just to add that extra coat of gloss and shine. I love this one too.